guys, and welcome to the daily predictions. We are going to talk about how the energy of 5th of November is going to be for all of us, and wish you a very happy Diwali, wish you a very happy Bhaiya Dooj, wish you a very happy Chhat Puja, and all the other beautiful festivals that we have around the world at this point in time. Wish you a very happy day and a happy year ahead. And I wish that the things that we are waiting for happen, and we move towards that path of awakening. So looking at the cards, the first card that I have is Page of Swords, and if you see this Page of Swords is in action because he's wearing a chain and the chain is moving, and you can see an eagle in this chain, and the eagle has his claw completely open as if the eagle is about to catch hold of something, and he has his sword, the grip completely perfect, and the sword raised high. And because the eagle is in movement, that means that he's in movement, and that's the only reason why a chain could be so far away from your neck, because you're moving. So definitely there is some kind of movement that I see, there is some kind of communication that I see. I do see that you might pick up something that you want to move ahead with, your passion or communication or any kind of message. You have an ability to look at the bigger picture, and you are about to catch hold of something or about to capture something. So definitely pay close attention to your energies, pay close attention to your communication, pay close attention to what you say, how you say that, look at the bigger picture and then communicate. Yes, there is something that is coming your way, because there is a Page of Pentacle card also. Pages are number 11 cards, and I see 11 and I see 11. So pages are number 11 cards, and there is an energy of 11 here, and she is actually displaying the pentacle. She's looking in the front, she's not looking at the pentacle. There is a cow or a lamb here, and she's wearing some kind of a belt on her waist, but the belt is in the flow, her dress is in the flow, and there is no air, like the flowers are not falling away, the tree is not moving, but her dress is into the movement. And that basically means that she's definitely presenting something by being in the flow. And you can see a beautiful flower or the butterfly, that is her necklace. And this card basically says that you are ready to present something to the world, you are ready to move with the flow, you are ready to keep your innocence with you, but at the same time move forward and do the task that you're meant to. Yes, there is a lot of preparation that is there behind this task, but I do feel that you are ready to actually bring something out to the world. You are ready to bring some energies out to the world, you are ready to bring some action out to the world, and you are ready to change some energies for the world. So definitely your world is also changing at this point in time, and there is some money energy that is going to flow, some communication that is going to flow. And the last card that I got in the first go was 19, number Sun card. So this is like 11 and 10, and altogether they are 5. So this basically says this shows the new energy, this shows the new beginning. The new sun is rising, the clouds are going off. This is a child who's coming on the horse. The sunflowers are not looking at the sun, but they are looking towards you. So the energy is where definitely there is something new that is going to come in front of you, definitely a new energy that is going to flow, definitely a new sun that is going to rise, definitely a new beginning that is going to happen, and lot of communication and lot of presentations are going to happen around you. Now the next set of cards that I got here was Ace of Cups, and then there is High Priest. And by the way, I did not realize, but this whole of this makes it the total is 5. This is 5 and this is 1, so that again makes it 11. There is a Ace of Cup card, there are lotus flowers here, the cup is overflowing, there is a lot of energy of the cup from the cup that is flowing out, and this is specifically in 4 pillars. 2 you can see like in the front, 2 are in the background, and I feel that a lot of information is going to flow, a lot of emotions are going to flow, balance definitely is going to be important. The High Priest card is the card of divine energy, it's the card of divine connection, it is the card of priest, it is the card of high authorities, and I do see some keys that are rightly aligned very strongly, and one key is to the night and one key is to the morning. So definitely a balance between the night and the morning, which means the balance between the wrong and the right, and opening up the wrong, the key of the doors which have been doing something behind the closed doors, as well as opening the key of opening the door of the new sun. Both are happening at the same time simultaneously, and if you see, this priest is all ready to now get up, stand and take the action. So definitely I do see some action oriented energy, and I do see an energy where I do feel that a lot of emotions are going to flow, and a lot of new beginnings are going to come, a lot of communications and presentations are going to come around you. Now if I interpret it in the way how things are happening, if today's energy brings in what we think it is going to bring out, then definitely tomorrow energy is even stronger and brighter. The next card that I have is the Angel of Balance, and this card says that whatever has been off balance, whatever has been out of balance, this is the time where Angel of Balance is by your side and will help you balance everything. So keep yourself balanced, keep the energy balanced, and move forward in the very, very balanced way, because there is a lot of flow of energy that is happening. So keep yourself into that flow of energy, keep yourself balanced, and know that there is more balance coming your way, and everything that was out of balance in your life is going to be completely balanced now. This is Witches Tarot. This is Oracle, Energy Oracle, and next card that I have is Power of Surrender, and first card says surrender resentments. It says holding on to resentments only poisons you. Try to forgive others for their shortcomings and keep moving forward towards positive situations in your life. And next card says surrender to joy. It says the key to positive change in your life is to let joy in and savor it. Indulge in random acts of smiling during both the hard and the easy times. Keep surrendering to more joy. So definitely there is joy coming into your life. There's going to be reasons why you should not actually be in resentment at all. You're going to forgive some people, you're going to move past some situations, and yes, emotions are going to be high, but communications are going to be the key. And yes, keep yourself balanced. It is going to be very, very important. The next set of cards that I got, I just was inclined to take some more cards and I got it. And the first card, if you see, is High Priestess, and High Priestess is holding on to 2 scrolls. So this is like the secrets coming out, this is like the information coming out. The next card is 3 of Wands, and if you see, there is a ship here, and there is that wand energy. Something is still coming out of the ship. So something that you've been waiting for, those secrets are going to come out, those things are going to come out. If you are in balance, you're going to see forward movement. The Chariot is going to move forward in a very, very strong fashion, and there is a new energy of Ace of Wands, which is the energy of transformation. You will see flowers, you will see growth, you will see transformation, and the last card is Happy Home. So definitely some new energy, positive energy, and positive momentum is there in your life. And also I do feel that some secrets are going to come out, and the ship related information, something more is coming out, very, very strong information, and that is going to lead the way to new transformation and happy home or a new energy coming out. The next set I got is completely opposite to this one, and these actually fell into different directions. Queen of Cups. And if you see, this Queen of Cups has flowers on her lap. The flowers are actually falling down, and there is a cup in her hand, and there is a Ace of Swords card, which is the energy of communication, which is the energy of eagle eye, which is the energy of looking at everything with complete clarity, and there is the 8 of Swords card. So this basically means that all the energies that you are sending, for some people getting caught, you will see some people getting caught, you will see some communications of some people getting caught and some people getting arrested. So that's the energy that I do see. Okay, so and balance your emotions is going to be very important. You can your communication can help you feel free, happy, or your communications can help you feel stuck. So that is something that you have to take care of. The additional message that I'm going to take out is from Lover's Path. So let's see what is the message. Lover's Path Tarot guides angels, what is the message for 5th of November 2021? 5th November 2021. What do we need to know? What is the message? 5th November 2021. 5th November 2021. Okay. 5th November 2021. What is the additional message? What additional information should we have? Okay, the cards are flying. Okay, so we got this, and then we got this, and then we got this. Beautiful. Okay, so we have a 3 of Swords, but the way the energies are, the first card is 6 of Staves. 6 of Staves is the card of 6 of Wands, which is the card of victory. So he's under the shelter, he has done his bit, the victory is his, and he's into a complete balance energy. The horse is also into complete balance energy. I do feel that this horse is smiling. It feels like this horse is smiling, and it has like tears of joy. So beautiful energy. This is the card of winning. This is the card of victory, this is the card of appreciation, this is the card of rewards, this is the card of recognition. The second card I see here is Three of Swords, Three of Arrows, and this person is actually hiding herself here because there are arrows getting stuck into the heart and the water is actually kind of overflowing. So there's a storm that is kind of approaching, and this is the energy. This is right after storm. So there is a storm that is approaching, and there is going to be energy where there could be some chaos. There could be some water related chaos, or some people related to water energy might come out. And also for you also, it is important to balance your emotions. It is very, very important for you to keep your emotions balanced, because if you keep your emotions balanced, you're going to see the victory. The king, the crown of the king is there on the top of the wand. So the wand has actually come in a way that has taken off the crown of the king. So this is definitely an energy of being very, very strong, or being very, very passionate, and new beginnings coming into your life. You can see angel wings, you can see the sun kind of coming out. So definitely very beautiful energy that says that all the heartbreaks are going to change into something that is going to be more positive, more balanced, and there is going to be definitely some kind of victory that is coming your way. And all you need to do is keep yourself balanced, keep yourself emotionally stable. And there is Prince of Staves, which is Prince of Wands, who is actually looking at the horizon. There is sun that is rising, and he's getting ready to take the steps that he needs to. So yes, beautiful energy. Just believe in yourself, just keep yourself emotionally balanced, and a lot of good things are going to come your way. But balance is going to be the key, and victory is definitely yours. So thank you so much. Take care of yourself. I hope this helps you, and if it does, please leave the feedback and share the video with everyone. Thank you, and wish you happy festivals. Thank you.